Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to record media sound only using our screen recorder application. So where to look for screen recorder options? We need to go to settings, then advanced features, and here we have screenshots and screen recorder options. In the sound section, right now we have selected media and microphone audio to be recorded, but if we want media only, we can change it here. No need to save. We can back out from this menu and we have only our media sound recording allowed. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.